When I started, I bought Logic, binged random tutorials, and wasted a lot of money on stuff I didn't need. If you're just getting into music production, here are some pitfalls you can dodge. 1. Don't buy a DAW right away. Start with a free one. GarageBand, Cakewalk, Traction, etc. are plenty for beginners. Before dropping hundreds on Ableton, Logic, FL, make sure you'll actually stick with making music. 2. Avoid third-party plugins. At first. Every major DAW already comes with pro-level tools worth hundreds on their own. When you're starting out, you don't even know what problems plugins are supposed to solve. Force yourself to make at least 5 full songs with stock plugins before buying anything else. And by the way, if you are new to music production, join my free school community for new producers, and you'll get free access to a full music production course. Link is in the description. 3. If you spend money, buy bundles and wait for sales. Summer sale and Black Friday are the holy grail. You can get crazy bundle deals for a fraction of the price. Never pay full price. 4. Don't waste money on expensive monitors. Good headphones plus calibration software will take you further than $2,000 speakers in an untreated room. Acoustic treatment is way more important than fancy monitors, and not worth it until you're pro. 5. Share your music early. Your first track won't be a hit, sorry. Perfectionism just slows you down. Release songs, get feedback, and focus on quantity plus consistency. After a year or two, you'll see how much better you've gotten. If you're just starting out, keep it cheap, keep it simple, and keep creating.